Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗲𝗀𝗶𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on natural gas. On the daily chart, natural gas has been trading with a higher high formation while it reaches the previous swing high, underlying the bullish move. Prices has the resistance around the level of 193, followed by the level of 200. On the other hand, the support should be around the level of 181, which is the breakout level. The momentum indicator RSI has a positive crossover as it moves towards the overbought zone, supporting the bullish move. Thus, any dip towards the level of 181 should be a buying opportunity, targeting the level of 190 and 191, while the reversal should be below the level of 175. Hence, we expect natural gas to trade with a positive bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.